In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change HandBrake language quickly and easily so you can use the app in the language that feels most comfortable for you. Whether your system language is different or you just want to switch HandBrake to another interface language, this guide will walk you through the exact steps on Windows. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more software tutorials, and let's jump right in. HandBrake usually follows your computer system language, but you can override that inside the app. First, open HandBrake on your Windows PC. Once the program loads, look at the top menu and click Tools, then select Preferences. This is where HandBrake keeps its main settings. Inside the Preferences window, make sure you are on the General tab. In this section, you should see a language option. Click the drop-down menu and choose the language you want HandBrake to use. After selecting your preferred language, don't forget that the change will not apply immediately until you restart the program. So go ahead and close HandBrake completely, then open it again. Once it relaunches, the interface should now appear in your selected language. If it still looks the same, double check that you saved the setting correctly and that you fully restarted the app. And that's it. You've now changed the HandBrake language on Windows. It's a simple setting, but it can make the software much easier to navigate if you prefer a different language. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.